Hey there, guys, and good morning. Welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm meteorologist Marquise Meda, joined by Yami, and we've got some UFOs with us right now,
Oh,
right?
yes, we do. So this whole month we're celebrating the Science Center's Sci-Fi. So what better way to think about science fiction than to make our own recyclable little alien spacecrafts here?
I got you. I feel like they're going to go from UFOs, unidentified flying objects, to identified flying objects.
Yes.
So let's get started.
Absolutely. So the whole point is that we're just literally use your imagination. So based on whatever you have at home, you will create your spacecraft. So we used paper plates here, aluminum foil. We just happen to have pipe cleaners. And then we made this little UFO space guy right in there for us.
Got a little pilot in there.
Absolutely. So we've got some stickers we can put on there. Literally whatever you would like to use. So how about we finish up our spacecraft here, put some stickers on it, get it ready to fly out there.
Well, he has to have a companion, right? So I got to use the dog sticker.
Yeah, absolutely. And I don't know about you, but I love science fiction, and I think it's really amazing how there's just really no limit to what you can imagine in science fiction. So if we want to have an alien dog, we can have an alien dog.
And I think the cool thing about science fiction also is that sooner or later it somehow becomes science fact.
Yes, that's very true. So this is a very exciting month for us here at the Science Center, and I mean, we're just going to keep going with all these star stickers here. There we go. Let's get our little alien buddy here as well. And then once you're done with it, you can take it around with you. You can imagine all the different planets and galaxies that you can visit as well.
Awesome. We can take them into turbo speed, flying away to a galaxy far, far away.
And we happen to use some streamers here to give it that effect of that rocket flame coming from behind it as well.
Go. Warp speed, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, we're going to infinity and beyond here at the Orlando Science Center. We're hoping to see you here throughout the month of November as we're celebrating Sci-Fi Month and learning so many new things.